Hey guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Money. Always be trading. My name is Josh. Welcome to day three of my trading series where I am trading my 50,000 Apex PA funded account. Our goal here is to get to the six payout where you can take 90% of your profits. I am trading the micro gold future contracts, and there is which is MGC, and there also is GC, which is your minis, where every tick is worth $10. With the micros, every tick is worth $1, and that is per contract, of course. And our goal here is, if you look at yesterday's video, our bias was bearish on gold to trade through the 21 EMA, which is the yellow trending line here, which it did this morning. And I will show you how I traded. I actually placed two trades. Breaking it down to our 4 hour, a little bit of a review yesterday. We had our bullish 4 hour fair value gap, which are the two yellow lines that you see here on the bullish run. It respected the fair value gap until it traded through and it inverted to our bearish fair value gap, in which it showed respect as well. Down to the 1 hour, here we had a nice downtrend, and also our 1 hour fair value gap, in which I showed you guys yesterday with our Fibonacci. It completely respected that 50%. The bodies is what we are concerned with, that 50 to 60% golden range there. We're going to continue to break down. I place my trades based off the 15-minute. As you see here, this is 11 p.m. right here. Gold really started bleeding out on this bearish run at 11 p.m. and it will tend to do that sometimes. Trading isn't easy, and it really wants to leave out as many traders as possible. I mean, during the normal trading session, it'll take out buy side and sell side liquidity, then go on its run, or it'll make its move overnight, in which most people are sleeping. They're missing out on their money chances. But here, I was awake, and I actually did make my move until, as you guys see here, about 2 a.m. because I knew that we had this low here, in which we had some strong wicks. And I did not want it to reverse on me there. I'm all about protecting my money, but it traded through that, in which we did have a bit of a return, which I thought was a very low risk trade for my style of trading. Right here at that 9 EMA, once we had this green candle, I kind of wick away, and then we had a down candle there. And if we go down to the 5 minute, I actually entered on that third down candle. There was, that third down candle there, and my stop loss was uh, above this little order block with my take profit set here. It was a 1 to 3 risk reward trade, and it went $750 in profit. I thought for sure this was going to be a winner. As you guys see here, I traded 10 contracts of micros. Every tick is worth $10, $750 in profit. So I moved my stop loss to break even. And it shot back up to my stop loss, $750, wiped just like that. And after being up $750, I was not willing to lose a lot of money on this trade. I ended up losing $23, man, 23 fucking dollars, bro. We lost. But then I dove back into this trade. I will say I got kind of caught up in the 1 minute, and I will show you guys why. I didn't want to get shaken out of this fight. I didn't want to get stopped too early like they did my boy Adesanya against Pereira, or even Deontay Wilder against Fury. Ref, get me back in the fight. We ain't done yet. No, Diddy, you ain't getting me today. But really here, the 1 minute, man, I was looking at this 1 minute. As you see, it initially tried to show some respect to the 21 EMA on the bullish side, but it traded through, and it was bouncing back off that 21 EMA for bearish. And since I did have the bearish bias, and this yellow line is the daily 21 EMA that I'm looking to trade through, we still had room for a take profit there. So I set my take profit here. We got back in the trade. We had some beautiful price action back down. No worries. I do hate that I got stopped out here because, man, I'm still internally battling with moving my stop loss to break even, or just leaving it where it is. Because if I just leave it where it is, we win that first trade. But then, but that's all in hindsight. So it's something that I am personally working on, and I need to continue trading and back testing to see what is best. So, and right now, as you guys see, it's freaking crazy. We just had some high impact news. Let's see, our unemployment and prelim and GDP. I'm not trading around that. I'll wait until the 9:30 open to see what's going on. Let everyone get shaked out during this high impact news. So you guys will see if I continue to trade. It'll all be here. Till next time. Yo, guys, reporting two more trades on the day. I'm going to start off by saying if you see me trade like this again, come find me and come slap me. Dead ass. This was terrible trading. I don't want to trade like this. But the idea here, what I was thinking, we had another push through was, man, way. We already had our push down. I shouldn't have been in any shorts. We won our trade here, more than $900. Should have been done. But hey, in hindsight, once again, I got greedy, overzealous, man. It pushed down. I had a return. I drew some trend lines here. If it breaks this downtrend, you enter a long. If it breaks this uptrend, you enter a short. It broke the downtrend. I entered a short. Initially, I had my stop here, and then Jesus Christ, I had my stop here. Barely went in profit. I mean, a tiny bit. Then I got stopped the fuck out, and then man, I'm looking at the trade. It started to push back down. I got caught up in a lower time frame, which I don't want to go anything lower. And then I saw like these, what is it, like the three soldiers, or whatever. And usually that's a sign it's going to go in that direction. On a little bit of a return, I entered the short. I thought that I may have had an incorrect stop loss here, like I did the other day. So I wanted to put my stop loss above this return, in which I did. And once again, I immediately got stopped. Two terrible trades, but uh, my I did lower my risk. I lost 330 on the first one and 253 on that second trade. I destroying my profits. I'm not proud of that at all. I don't want to do that again. It brought my daily totals down to $360 in total profit. And since Tuesday, we have $1,510. Man, so I just depleted $580 of my profit. I'm a dumbass for that. It's after the time you want to be trading, way past where you want to enter a bearish run. Yeah, so I don't want to be trading like this. Find me and slap me if I do it again.